had some recent inquiries about replacement guarantees for your recruiting business when you're landing a new client. And actually, this week, as I'm starting a new recruiting company and venture that I'm documenting online, a few of my meetings, client meetings I had, that topic came up. And so let's kind of talk about a few options that you can give your client when it comes to guaranteeing your candidate. So this is the first contract that I have. This is my contract or contract to hire agreement that I send out to new clients if they want to hire contract personnel. And for this scenario, you have a conversion table, meaning when you place a contract employee with a company, it's usually 6 months right to hire. That's how I structure the tenure of the contract. And if the client wants to hire our candidate at any point in time, they can do so, but there will be a conversion fee for that. And so this is the basic conversion fee that I set up, anywhere from 0 to 30 days. If our client wants to convert our candidate, our employee, to their payroll, they will pay us a 25% fee of the employee's salary. And then going down the scale here, 31 to 60 would be a 20% fee. 61 to 120 would be 15, and 121 to 180 days would be 10%. And then after 180 days, there's no fee earned from them, or we don't ask for a fee. So that's the first example. The second example would be the direct hire agreement. So when you make a direct hire placement for a fee of salary, let's say 20% as this contract shows, we do it this way. And for those of you watching this video, if you have creative ways of doing your replacement guarantee, please, by all means, share below in the comments, because this would be great information for all of us. I'm not like a pro when it comes to being creative with replacement guarantees. I've just kind of done the same thing for so many years. The good thing is I don't have a lot of occurrences where I have to replace somebody, thank goodness. So we managed to get a 92% retention rate with the candidates that we place. So it makes it a lot easier. But in this contract right here, this is actually an engaged search direct hire where we collect $2,000 as an engagement fee up front, which is refundable on the first invoice. But going down to the replacement guarantee, so if the person should get fired or is just not a good fit, the client does not like this candidate, 0 to 30 days, we will do a 100% placement credit. Okay, 100% money back. 31 to 60, 50%, 61 to 90, 25, 91 plus days, the search fee is deemed earned. So it's basically a 3-month guarantee. I've also seen ones for executive retained search. Because you're collecting a higher fee up front and getting paid up front, you really have to stand by your product and offer a longer guarantee. So I've seen instances of 2 to 3 years with replacement guarantees and retained executive search, but it's not money going back to the client. It's actually you just replacing the candidate at no cost. Hope that helps, guys.